The lazy bird. Barnaby the bluebird had a very simple motto. Why do it today when you can nap it away? While every other bird in the forest was busy working, Barnaby was a professional loafer. If there was a soft patch of moss, he was on it. If there was a warm sunbeam, he was in it. One chilly morning, his friend Pip the sparrow went to Barnaby. Pip looked like a round little ball because he had been eating so many seeds. "Barnaby," Pip chirped, "the north wind is coming. You need to fuel up. If you don't eat now, you won't have the gas in your tank to fly south." Barnaby just tucked his beak under his wing. "Relax, Pip. The berries aren't going anywhere. I'm waiting for the ones on the top branch to get extra sweet. It's called strategy." A week later, Barnaby woke up and realized his strategy had hit a snag. A thick layer of frost covered the berries. They were as hard as marbles. Barnaby couldn't even take a bite. The juicy beetles had all burrowed deep underground to sleep through the winter. Because Barnaby was thin and hadn't stored any fat, he couldn't stop shivering. When the rest of the flock took off for the sunny south, Barnaby tried to follow. But his wings felt like soggy cardboard. He hadn't practiced, and he hadn't eaten. He took 3 big flaps and, thump, landed right back on his chilly branch. Barnaby felt pretty silly. He was cold, hungry, and lonely. Just as he was about to give up, he saw a little pile of dried cracked corn hidden in the crook of a tree. There was a note poked into the bark. "For Barnaby. I figured you'd be late. Eat up. We're waiting for you at the beach, Pip." Barnaby didn't waste a second. He gobbled the corn, felt his energy return, and started flapping. He didn't stop to sunbathe. He didn't stop to nap. He flew and flew until the air turned warm and smelled like salty ocean water. Barnaby made it to the beach just in time to see Pip. He realized that in the wild, timing is everything. Nature has a clock, and if you ignore it, you get left in the cold. Barnaby learned new habits. He got up early to get food, before it freezes. He would also train his wings. The end.